Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos. Today we're going to talk about several accounts that got hacked recently, and I will let you know of the things that you need to do if this happens to you. Also, this is an alert so that you can know how the hackers are doing it, so that you can avoid and you're not going to have this unpleasant experience. Before we start, I would like to thank you for all the support in the channel. Since the previous summer that I started, I didn't expect it to grow as fast as it's growing. Thank you very much for that. Thank you very much for understanding the way that I think about Facebook ads, and thank you very much for understanding that this is not a channel for people that they know nothing about Facebook ads. I don't want to show beginner guides or whatever. This is a YouTube channel that is all about actual live accounts, results, super updated information, and advanced strategies. I don't care so much about things that you can find all over the internet. You can find so many videos about beginners. I care about the extra things that you cannot find, the things that I would need when I was starting my own Facebook ads. That being said, and because I have very good engagement from all of you, of your comments and everything, I have created a free course, which is another extra thing that you can check. The link is going to be on the description, and it's going to help you learn more about Facebook ads. Before we start with this story, I would like to tell you that I have seen this happening 1 year ago with a friend from Cyprus, that he got hacked, and the hackers actually took admin access of all of his ad accounts running ads for their own businesses. Now, it took him 2 or 3 months to recover from that and take full access to everything, but I can tell you that from my experience now, the process was much faster. So, let's go to the story. What actually happened? Recently, one of the ad accounts that I was working with, which is having several partners in it, one of the partners clicked a link and actually took a virus that helped the hackers to go into the ad account and remove all of us from, basically on this account I was having also employee access, for me nothing changed, but for all of the admins of the ad account, they went to employee access, and the hackers actually went and they took the admin access and they started running ads. Why are they doing that? They don't want to remove you from the ad account. They want you to stay there so that they can spend as much as they can without you closing the ad account or whatever. So the reason that they do it like this is because they're going to use your credit card, and they're going to load their own pixel, their own ads, and they're going to run ads immediately, which means that basically it's like they're taking a credit from Facebook, running ads for free. Okay, so let's see how did that happen. One of the admins actually took an email. This email was coming from a person that was saying, hey, I love your brand very much, and I would like to tell you that I have seen one of your ads which is not showing very well, the image is cut off and stuff like that. So some things, I don't have this specific one, but I have one which is coming from another client that he didn't click the link, of course. Here we can see on the print screen that he sends this image. We can even see from the first side that it's just a cutted image that he took from a print screen program. And then it says, hey, as a fan of your brand product, I just wanted to give you a heads up that this story ad is cut off. The next thing is that they're going to tell you, you're going to tell them, really? Where did you see that? Okay, take the link. This is the link so that you can see also this post which is cut off. And you click it and you take the virus. The fun fact is that if you do it from your mobile phone, this virus is actually having a way to bypass your two-factor authenticator, which is actually bad because all of the admins of the ad account that got hacked, they had the two-factor authenticator activated, but they managed to do it like this with this virus and they bypassed it, so they had full access. What happened after that? After that, we have the situation that they take you to employee access and they start running ads. I'm having a print screen here. We can see on the top it says post receive support anywhere at home. They are using a post ID from one Facebook page and they are running this ad. You can see that here we have the ad account disabled because we contacted the support, but they're starting running ads like this with a post ID and they run with crazy budgets like $5,000-7,000 depending on how big your ad account is. After that, we can notice on the next print screen that they even added their own API and their own pixel. We can see here that the creator is Reed Horton, most probably this is a fake name, and it was created on August 4 of 2021. That means Facebook, that they're running ads from 2021 doing this in several accounts and you're doing nothing about it. Sorry Facebook, but this is wrong. The fun fact is that after we went to the customer support, these are the emails. We have here, we can see that they say that they know about it, they have their concerns and everything. We are pleased to inform you that our team is looking at it and so on and so on. And after that, we have another email that is talking about, there it is. I'm glad to inform you that our team was able to complete the investigation. We have restored corrected permissions for business managers and stuff. So, now, that being said, let me explain to you what happened in reality. It was Wednesday. The account got hacked my time around 5 a.m. Up to 6 a.m. we have contacted the customer support and we banned all of the ad accounts on this specific business manager so that they could not run any more ads. They spent up to that point up to $300, I believe, across the accounts. We never took a refund for this account, for this money, okay? Which is strike number one. They never gave a refund for this amount of money. Second thing, it took us a lot of time with back and forth messages to actually take back the control of the ad account. So I'm guessing like 1 or 2 days. And I know that I told you at the start of the video that my friend took access after 3 months, but okay, this is a problem that you have, Facebook, and you need to solve it if you are having people that they want to steal ad accounts and they want to hack. Now, number 3, this explains why so many ad accounts are getting banned for no reason. Because of this stupid, anyway, that they're doing that and they're having access to other people's ad account, and when something is happening, Facebook thinks that this is a hacked ad account and they ban your accounts. This is the reason that your ad accounts are being banned or whatever, and you are taking them back in no time and they told you that it was a false alarm. So the other thing that I want to mention is this. Be careful with links. Guys, it's very important. I'm getting so many messages with bad links. I'm getting, even on Upwork right now, there are people that they're trying to scam freelancers with fake links and stuff. Don't click links that people are sending you if you don't know them, because it is not like a virus that's going to a computer, but there are more advanced viruses that they go even to mobile phones and they're going to bypass your two-factor authenticator. I know that it sounds crazy, but this is the situation and this is what happened with this specific company. Last thing, I know that it's a pain on the ass, but change your password frequently. Every 2 weeks, every 1 week, change your password all the time with Facebook. This is going to help you prevent from being hacked. And I know that if you have a small ad account, most probably they're not going to go after you, but especially you, that you have big companies and they're spending a lot and you're spending a lot of money on a daily level, you should be extra careful. Who is your admin over there? Because only the people who have admin access, they can actually make this happen with a hack. And the second thing is that you need to watch very carefully who is sending you what and what links you are clicking or whatever. So my suggestion to you is that you should be extra careful. Now you know what happened. I'm telling you the story that actually happened. I can tell you that in 2 days we were running normally, okay? But it's all about the frustration. One of the admins never got back their Facebook account and we're still looking how to take it back. We paid $300 for no reason. There's no reason for you to go through that process, you know. So be careful, guys. Now you know what is happening with the hacked ad accounts. If this happens to you, contact customer support super fast because most probably they're not going to refund you. And yeah, thank you very much for the support. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, be sure to check my free course that I have made, my normal course, or my book. And until we meet again, be careful, be consistent, and be creative in the universe and in the metaverse.